Alright, so here's the issue I'm having in the car. I believe it's the resistor that needs to be replaced for my air conditioner. So the issue is here, when you turn on the air conditioner, nothing happens unless you blast it all the way up to number 4. So essentially it stays off. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it with just the resistor. Okay, so we're going to do the install. I ordered the part off of Amazon. This is the part SKU number. It was $10 on Amazon. The part number was 1K09599263A. This is kind of the Volkswagen part number, but Square Part also makes it as well. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So we are going to install it right underneath here. This is the passenger side footwell, and right underneath you should see 2 little turn screws here. Simply turn them. Turn them by hand and they come off. And the little foam should come right out. Out of the way. So you should see a big white connector right there. And to remove it, you simply pull on the cable like so. Pinch it, it comes right out. Yeah, it does look a little fried there. There's the resistor that went. Okay, and then to remove the connector, you simply pinch it together. I need 2 hands to do it. I have to put the camera down. There we go, so it comes right out. Now to put the old one back in. Put the new one in. Simply slides right into the hole here. And into the left. There we go. You see it click. And then this clicks right in there. And that's it. So let's test out the car now. Okay, so I just powered up the car. Let's see if the AC works. Alright, here's that one. Alright, so it looks like it did the trick. So $10 off of Amazon. Quick fix, only took less than 5 minutes. So hopefully this will help you guys out in the future.